Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
People, wagwan. This is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. The Natural Resource Conservation Authority, NRCA, good to go ahead for Noranda backside do mining near the cockpit country, but the place where them are going mine well smaller than what them asked for. Olivia Grange, or the Minister for Culture and Entertainment, say more than 800 somebody apply for get something out of the 90 million special support package for the entertainment sector. The Ministry for Health and Wellness said them give out more than 1.2 million doses of the vaccine last year. The police said them charged one 22-year-old man for kill 10-year-old Jezariah Tyrell. Now for the full tour of them. The Natural Resources Conservation Authority, NRCA, give the go-ahead for Noranda backside the mining near the cockpit country, but the place where them are go mine well smaller than what them asked for. Noranda did want mine 8,335 acres under the Special Mining Lease 173, but last year Robert Montague, or the Minister for Mining, said them did have to look over that first. Dr. Peter Knight, who run the NRCA, said them give them the go-ahead for mining go on in a 1,324 acre in a St. Anne. But no mining can go on at the school and the Manjas community because them say science show them say no enough for go on there so. Olivia Grange, or the Minister for Culture and Entertainment, say more than 800 somebody apply for get something out of the 90 million special support package for the entertainment sector. More than 103 somebody get the money already. Minister Grange did say people could have get the 60,000 in a December, and people in the entertainment, culture and creative industry where the COVID-19 mash up them business could have get the money. Some of the people them who could have get the money are people who sing, people who dance, producer, people who act, people who do makeup, people who work in a bar, but they must be part of the Jamaican Copyright Licensing Agency, JamCopy. The Ministry for Health and Wellness said them give out more than 1.2 million doses of the vaccine last year. According to the ministry, them give out nearly 635,000 doses of the first joke and nearly 492,000 doses of the second joke. On top of that, the ministry says 75,402 somebody take the single dose of Johnson & Johnson vaccine. Plus, them give out 4,834 booster shots. The police said them charge one 22-year-old man for kill 10-year-old Jezariah Tyrell. Jezariah get killed last week when she did asleep in her bed on Wildman Street in a central Kingston. The man will get charged at Tommy Powell, who people call Redhead, or one laborer who come from 29 James Street in a Kingston. The police said them ask him some question in front of him lawyer, then charge him. Him get charged for kill somebody, for shot somebody out of spite, and for have gun and bullet where him not have no license for. The police said them a set one court date for him. St. Thomas record them first killing for the year. The dead man, a 37-year-old Jeremy Spencer, who people call Pussface, who come from Navarre Lane in a Seaford. According to the police report, around 1:15 Sunday, people hear gunshot and call them. When them come, them say the dead body lay down. The police say them think the killing linked to some war where go on between people in a Navarre Lane and Backsmith Lane where they in a Seaford. Now for sports. West Indies captain Kieran Pollard come back from injury for join the West Indies team for some match where them are going to play against England and Ireland. West Indies are going to play against Ireland in a 3-1 day match and one 2020 match between January 8 to 16 at Sabina Park. After that, them are going to play a 5 2020 match at Kensington Oval in Barbados from January 22 to January 30. Evan Lewis, Fabian Allen and Anderson Phillips, who in the squad, test positive for coronavirus. People, remember the curfew from 10 p.m. in the night to 5 in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.